Welcome back to Viet Flavours. Today we're bringing you a stir-fry classic with a twist. Asian surf and turf noodles. A perfect balance of tender beef, juicy shrimp, and savory noodles that's guaranteed to satisfy your cravings. Before we start cooking, let's go over the ingredients. 425 grams of pre-cooked Miki noodles. 350 grams of beef, cut into cubes. 250 grams of shrimp, peeled and deveined. 75 grams of chives. Half a medium carrot. Half a medium yellow onion. 2 green onions. 1 tablespoon of freshly minced garlic. For seasoning, the beef gets salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. The shrimp gets MSG, garlic powder, and salt. And for the sauce, a 1/4 cup dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon mushroom powder, 1 teaspoon sugar or to taste, 2 tablespoons chicken stock. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the vegetables. Slice the onion. Cut the chives into bite-sized pieces, about 1 3/4 inches long. Julienne the carrot. I'm only using half here, and saving the other half for another dish. Separate the green onions. Finely chop the white parts to sauté with garlic, and reserve the greens for garnish at the end. Now, season the beef cubes with half a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. And the shrimp with 1/2 teaspoon of MSG, or chicken bouillon powder. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. In a bowl with a 1/4 cup of dark soy sauce, add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of mushroom powder, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix well. Then stir in 2 tablespoons of chicken stock. I give it a taste. It's a little salty for me, so I add another teaspoon of sugar. Feel free to adjust the seasoning to suit your taste. Now let's get cooking. Heat some oil in a wok. Brown the beef, then set it aside. I'm using sirloin for the beef in this recipe. It's tender and works really well here. Toss in the shrimp until pink, then remove. With the same pan, sauté the garlic and white parts of the green onion until fragrant. The skillet's looking a bit dry, so I'm just adding a touch more oil. Add the carrot and onion, stir until softened. Then toss in the noodles. Wow, I love what I'm seeing here. The yellow noodles with the carrot and onion look so vibrant and beautiful. I absolutely love these pre-cooked Miki noodles. They're incredibly convenient. No need to boil them beforehand. You can just toss them straight into the pan. Pour in a third of the sauce, stir well, making sure every strand is coated. Now add back the beef and shrimp. Pour in the rest of the sauce and mix everything together. Finally, toss in the chives, stir briefly. Just a quick tip. Don't overcook the chives. You want them to retain a bit of their freshness and that lovely crunch. Finish with a sprinkle of green onion. And there you have it, a platter of rich, savory Asian surf and turf noodles, ready to enjoy. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more delicious dishes from Viet Flavors. See you next time.